Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you a presentation maker application. This application is basically designed for user to create a new presentation based on existing multiple presentations. How exactly it works? Let's start. I will explain step by step. The very first thing is user need to log in. So I am doing login. Okay, now I am logged in and it is showing me option. Um, let's click on create presentation. You can also see that in this screen it is also showing me previously created presentations where I am getting different options to edit, delete or download it in two different formats like PPT or PDF. Right now I'm focusing on create presentation, so I just click there. Okay, so this is one kind of summary screen or the which shows the sequence, like what are the different steps involved in creating presentation. I'm simply clicking on create new presentation. Okay, so this is the step one. In step one, I have to give following details like in my name and credentials. So let's give it as a like demo one and demo one. Let's use the same text. Next. The next step, it is showing me different slides of one existing presentation. So basically, the system is having a PowerPoint slide or PowerPoint presentation which consists of more than one slides. So you can see it here. I can also keep my cursor on any slide, so which will show me a preview in a larger screen or larger size. I'm getting option of to select all the slide at the same time within by just one click, or even I can select as many as I want. So for now let's select only few. For example, slide 1, 5 and this one, and next click on next. Okay, this tab is showing me another set of PowerPoint slides, and these slides are mandatory, so that is part of the flow. So basically I'm getting option that okay, this the final PPT is going to have these slides. I can also see the preview, but I cannot do any change here. So go next. Okay, in this tab it is again showing me a different uh, cases like case 1, case 2, case 3 and case 4. So all these cases are having one PPT associated with all. I can see a preview of them. For example, I want to add case 2 slides, and so let's before adding them let's uh, preview it. So soon I clicked on preview, it is showing me a larger screen, uh, and all the slides of this presentation or PPT will be shown one by one. Let's close it and click on next. This is again a preview of set 4 slides, whatever we have selected or whatever that are going to come. This is the final step which shows me all the slides which will come into my final one PPT. So basically you can see that I am creating one PPT using multiple presentation or multiple different slides of different categories. Here you can see that I'm getting option to change the sequences. For example, I am selecting this and I can drag and drop at another location. So my final presentation will have this sequence. Again, preview is always there for all the slides. If I scroll down, you can see this section with some different background color. That means this set of slides cannot be reordered. If I want to reorder them, then I have to reorder all the slides together. For example, I can drag this whole section together. I can place this section here, but I cannot move individual slide from this section to any another section or another area. Okay, so that's it. These are the final slides. Like now, click on next. Okay, to save the presentation, I need to give some name. Let's give a demo one name and click on save presentation. Now in background, what happens, whatever slides I have selected that are physically files, and all those files will be processed and one single file will be created. So this application is doing this all this processing, and approximate it takes 2 minutes, but normally this process gets completed in less time. This could be the maximum time. So let's wait for this to finish the saving and processing the slides. Once this presentation is generated and saved, I will be able to see it in a list of already created presentation, and I will get option to either edit it or I can download it in two different formats. Okay, so now you can see that the presentation is generated, and now I am back to my home screen, which is showing me two presentation. The demo one is the presentation which we have just created, and it is having two options. One is a PPT and one is a PDF. Let's click on PPT. So when I click on PPT, it downloads it. You can see the file is getting downloaded. If I click on PDF, the PDF file will be generated and downloaded. You can see the generated PDF file. I can open this file and see. Let's see how the file is created or how the presentation is created. See, here you can see that it is not opening directly. It is asking me a password. So this is the same password which I had provided in the initially when the presentation was created. Okay, now this PPT file is open, and I can see the all the different slides which I have already selected in my selection process. I'm going back to my screen. So that's it. Thanks for watching.